Hello, my friends. I am here for just a very short video to talk to you about my brand new card kit that's just coming out today. I'm calling it Cake Day Simple and Easy. All right, so what it is a set of 10 birthday cards. And they're so easy to put together, you are just not going to believe it. So first of all, I'm going to show you the cards. Here's the first one. Card never hurt anybody. Happy birthday. The best kind of cake is more. I lost count. Happy birthday. Congrats, you're still alive. I'm so happy you were born. And many more. And just happy birthday. Finally, birthday wishes. Okay, and then this one, there was a little bit of, there were a few images left on one of the cards. I think it might have even been this one that I cut it out of. So I thought I'd just include those on the inside. Okay, so that's what the cards look like. And there will be photos of these posted with the product for ordering. Now, in the kit, you get, of course, these are all based on the Picture My Life cards from Cake Day. You get a set of 10 card bases and envelopes. You get a full package of the silver glitter gems. So you will not use all of these. All right, you'll have quite a few left, and you'll be able to use those on other projects. And you will also get, you're not going to get full rolls, but you're going to get some black shimmer trim, some clover shimmer trim, and some lemonade shimmer trim. Okay, you have enough to do your projects the way they're shown here. Yeah, and so the Picture My Life cards, you'll also get the leftovers of those. And there's a few in here that didn't work for cards, or I couldn't work them into my designs, like this one, just the multicolored on the back. Birthday Memories, which I think will be a really good one for scrapbooking. Oh, and it's this way on the other side. And then here's Birthday Highlights. And it goes this way on the other side. And then there's two 4x6 ones. Birthday Ingredients. And you know, of course, that Close to My Heart Picture My Life cards all are double-sided. And one side is always vertical or portrait, and the other side is always horizontal or landscape. And then here's another 4x6 Celebrate. All right, so that will all be in your kit. Many of the Picture My Life cards, of course, are cut apart. There is a little bit of fussy cutting to do, not a whole lot. And the main cuts will be done for you. There will be step-by-step instructions. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. There are a few extra things you're going to need to create this. One is a lemonade ink pad, and then a brush for blending, just a little bit. Okay, and if you didn't even want to put it in, you wouldn't have to, but the cake needed to be grounded a bit, I thought. So I just added just a little bit of background with the lemonade ink pad. And then I did a bit of coloring on the shimmer gems, or on the silver glitter gems. And I used light green, citrus, and burnt orange. So how I use those will be included in the instructions. And then, of course, you need your fussy cut scissors and your adhesives. And that's it. Okay, so the basic kit itself will be $35. And then the VIP kit, which is the same kit basically, or not basically, it is the same kit, it will be $29.75. And that will be available starting on February 16th. Okay, that's all I have to show you right now. Thank you for watching, and we'll be talking to you very soon.